In this video we are going to talk about the best compost bin in this year, which is dual chamber compost tumbler. We will be going over the special key features of this product and why this product is so popular. So stay tuned and let's get into the video. Grow a happier garden. Do you look at others' gardens with envy? Give your plants the nutrient-dense fertilizer they crave, and watch your garden bloom like never before. With Miracle-Gro's dual-chamber, heavy-duty tumbling composter, you get 2 compartments for faster and more efficient composting all year round. Keep the nutrients coming. Achieve your gardening goals with a steady supply of ready-to-use compost. This 2-chamber compost tumbler allows you to add compost ingredients to one side, while waiting for the other side to cure. And with internal mixing bars that speed up the decomposition process, you can expect rich, fertile compost in just 4 to 6 weeks. And no more heavy lifting. Miracle-Gro is here to make composting easy for beginners and seasoned green thumbs alike. Our efficient tumbler system is the simple way to get perfectly cooked compost without having to dig, turn, and mix by hand. All you have to do is open the easy sliding door, add your scraps, and turn the handle 5 to 6 times every few days. A brand you trust. With the help of Miracle-Gro, both you and your garden will thrive. As America's most trusted garden supply brand, we guarantee you'll be satisfied with our products. Once you start using the compost generated by your new dual-chamber tumbling composter, you'll enjoy bigger harvests, healthier plants, and your most beautiful gardens yet. Achieve your garden goals with a pair of Scott's multi-purpose gardening gloves. Each pair is latex-free, water-resistant, and features a no-slip grip, perfect for both indoor and outdoor projects. Grow your green thumb with Scott's and Miracle-Gro. That's all about this product today. If you want to get more information and customer reviews, you can check out the link in the description down below. I hope you like the video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and then subscribe my channel if you want to get more videos in future.